Welcome to my YouTube channel. This is Sichamba Jacob, and I guess you're doing fine wherever you're watching this video from. Okay, so we've got this question. It's question 22, and it came in 2023. We'll answer both question A and question B. So for question A, we've got an equation. They've said solve an equation, and this is an equation right over here. Hopefully you can see clearly wherever you are seated. And please leave a comment in the comment section below. If you've not subscribed, remember to do so. This is Sichamba Jacob. So let's answer question A. The first thing that must be coming in your mind when you see a question like this is that you're dealing with a quadratic equation. So you can see the power twos are telling us the kind of an equation we're dealing with. And this is a quadratic equation. So you first square root both sides, okay? So you apply the square root. This power right here and the root will cancel. We shall remain with x, which is equal to a 2, actually to be positive or negative. Remember, quadratic equations give out two answers, a positive and a negative. What is the square root of 4? It's a 2. And then what is inside the brackets will maintain. Do you know why we're maintaining what is inside the brackets? It's because of this power 2 and the root will cancel, meaning it will be open. This guy will just remain the way it is. So now from here, we can say x, okay, is equal to a 2 open bracket, x minus a 3, or x is equal to a negative 2, x minus a 3, like that, okay? So now we can solve this equation. We've got x is equal to 2x minus a 6. We group the like terms, that is x minus 2x is equal to negative 6. So we've got negative x, which is equal to negative 6. We divide by a negative sign both sides because we want to get rid of the negative sign right in front of x. So this and this will go. We shall remain with x is equal to positive 6 because the negative and negative also go, okay? So the other equation will be this one. So we've got x is equal to negative 2x plus 6 because negative and negative will give us a positive. And then we group the like terms. We've got x plus 2x is equal to a 6. That is 3x is equal to a 6. You divide by 3 by a 3. The 3 and the 3 will go. We shall remain with x, which is equal to a 2. Because 3 into 3, it's 1. Into 6, it's a 2 actually. Yeah, it's a 2. So I've got the two solutions. This one and this one right here. So we've solved the equation. This is how this equation was supposed to be solved. So now let's go to the next question. The next question here, they want us to find the coordinates of point A right here. So whenever you've been told to find the coordinates, just get the equation that you've been given. So this equation, which is y is equal to negative 4x minus x power a 2. So now you write your equation as a negative 4x minus x is equal to 0. The 0 can be this side or this side, it's okay. You now solve the equation. So how do we solve this equation? We shall just, actually there's a power 2 here. We shall factorize, we shall solve by factorization. So we can factor out x because x is common, or negative x, it's okay. We shall remain with a 4 plus x is equal to a 0. So negative x is equal to 0, and then 4, which is all 4 plus x is also equal to 0. So you divide by negative both sides. So x will be equal to a 0 is one of the solutions. The other solution here, it will be x is equal to a negative 4. So this 4 will come this side, it will be negative 4 because it's positive. So I guess you can see that. So this is how you get to find. Now when we check nicely, we've got 2x values. Where can negative 4 be? Is it here or here where it's crossing the x-axis? This is where negative 4 is. So the coordinates of point A, it's are negative 4, a 0. So the y-axis here will always be a 0, but the x-axis is what you've solved for, okay? So don't think of this 0, no. it's for the y-axis here. It's always a 0 where the graph is crossing the x-axis. What about the turning point? For the turning point, we're going to use the formula. So we first find the x value, and this is the formula right over here, okay? So once we get this formula, we go back to the given equation. So it's like this, negative 4x minus x squared is equal to 0. So this is an equation we're dealing with right here. This is our b and this is our a. Where there is power 2, the number in front is your a. Where there is just a number and a letter, it's your b. So the key thing is a power 2. Where there is power 2, it's always your a. Okay? So we're going to say negative. What is our b? Our b is a negative 4. You see the coefficient here, the number in front? It's a negative 4. So put it inside the brackets because of this negative right here. If you don't put it inside the brackets, you get your answer wrong. So we have a 2 here. What is our a? It's a negative 1. So there is a negative 1 in front here. Okay? You simplify, you are getting what? A 4 over negative 2. So our answer is negative 2, or the value of x is a negative 2. Now let me show you what we're trying to do here. We're trying to find the coordinates here at this point. You see? Turning point. So we've found the x value, it's a negative 2. What about the y value? Look at this. These are the steps. We found the x value. For the y value, we will maintain the given equation. So this is what we've been given. Okay? Equation of the graph. This one. Here. Right here. And this is what we have. So we're going to say y is what we are solving for. Negative 4 open bracket, negative 2. Because the x value, the value of x is a negative 2. So we write a negative 2 here minus negative 2 inside the brackets. Put it inside the brackets because it has got a negative sign. And then you work out here, it will give us a positive minus a 4. This is giving us positive 4 minus, when you multiply here, it will give us a positive what? 8. And then the y value is equal to a 4 because 8 minus 4 will give us a 4. And this is the y value right here. It's a 4. Thank you so much for watching. If you want help in any of the subjects that you are preparing for, be it university, you're at university, you're at college, you are doing grade 12 or GCE, want help, okay, we offer online tuitions in a couple of subjects. This is the number you can get in touch with us. We will help you. Thank you so much and bye-bye.